Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Juan Carlos Moreno Gomez, and today we will see the type 5 pronunciation practice. Write the following text tries to make your best efforts pronunciations. The symbols don't forget to have and mind rhythms, intonation, the stress. For example, teaches the test. The pretest lasts 1 week. The teacher. One small error has and better many. They say that there must be more study school in the school. Schools say that there is not many have everything. Teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different themes. Exercise number 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pairs is a pairs of words that vary by only um, single sound many countries English. Writing them pronunciations the having in mind this mm, um, variation of the sound. For example, cat, bat, white, wise, right, throughout, gate, night, take, steak, cup, cut, bean, bean, tail, tail, peel, thick, peak, day, bay, dick, big, dick, pick, deal, deal, duck, buck, date, bait. Okay, let's go. Doll, toe, cold, tool, cool, tap, type, 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 cape, cape, tout, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, goal, tack, tack, gack, table, table, gobble, wable, wable, thin, pin, time, tell, 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 fell, tam, fun, deck, deck. Let's go. Exercise number 3. Intonation and stress. Write the following sentences having in mind the supplemental features. Features. Statement. Statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is writing a book. The weather, the weather is going to change. Statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. Mm, he wrote he wrote the letter very quickly. He wrote the letter very quickly. The teachers told her students a story. Statement with five stresses. Alex wrote the letter very quickly. Quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya, Tanya is writing writing the book you brought yesterday. Yesterday. Special questions. Special questions following intonations. Special questions following intonations. What is your name? What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interest, politeness, rising, intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General, general questions raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you read this book? Have you read have, have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, raising intonation. May I speak to she, please? Could I speak to Michelle, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? In alternative questions, raising and rallying intonation. Will you come back at 5 or X? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, poly or rising intonation. You don't know, then do you? They haven't. Mm, Having it, have they? You weren't mm, late, were you? I shouldn't do it, shouldn't I? Should I? I shouldn't. I shouldn't. I shouldn't do it, should I? Let's go. Tell me truth. Give me my, give me my yours. Have. Do I yours lips? Ask for help. Question raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Um, Clutter sentences follow intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumeration, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheeses, and tomatoes. We need papers, pens, and pencil. Response. I am. She is. He will. You should. Should. I can't. I can't. He didn't. Okay, thank you very much.